If you want to stay here long term, this is the process you should follow. You should go for your studies. You should
Focus on your studies,
focus on your
build your
studies,
skills.
build your skills, build
Do
your
internships.
yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Security jobs typically have higher per hour pay.
Exactly. It's not about they are higher. It's like it's the more easier job
It's also
compared
the
to
easier
other.
job, right.
There's no more physical activity
Right.
involved in like.
Yeah, and you are well built, man. So yeah,
yeah.
suits you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, good.
So that's the thing is it's a good job, easy job.
Easy job to
You
do.
don't have to lift weights or anything like.
Right, not
you
like
have
a
to-
warehouse job
Yeah.
or care
But,
homes can be also.
Yeah, but for the beginner, for your viewers, I would also I would like to tell your viewers that you should not stick upon this security job. If you are here, you should go for some skill
Yes.
learning. If you want to stay here for the longer, you have to go out in the market and get to know which skills are required by the market, and you should start working on them. If I'm staying if I'm staying here for the 3 years,
Right.
I should look for the skills that are needed by the UK market. So
and,
you can
and be more good for those skills so that you are
Yeah,
able to get
exactly.
more like a higher paying, higher skilled
Exactly, obviously.
job, which can
Exactly.
also, because now the skilled work visa, the salary thresholds have also gone up.
Exactly.
More than 41,500 now.
exactly.
So what is your long-term plan? I understand your part-time job, you're still finding it out, but what's your long-term plan?
Yeah, basically, I have given my CVs to some of the big companies like Apple, Range Rover, and other things. But it is just like I'm not expecting that they will call me
Right.
for the interview or something like that. But first of all, my university gonna help me. Second thing is when I'm gonna complete my degree, I'll have something on my CV. I'm doing some assignments here that are really helpful, and that are considered as my projects as well.
Right.
So I'm hopeful that after doing degree here, and I'll be able to secure or get internship at some big
Company,
big company.
yeah.
Yeah. After that, I think my future will be secured as compared to the others, because there are two ways. Basically, either you can come here and earn and you can go away.
Yeah.
And the second one is it's a long-term plan.
Right.
In that plan, you cannot earn as much as your other fellows in the
Right.
start. But if you want to stay here long-term, this is the process you should follow. You should go for your studies. You should
Focus on your studies,
focus on your
build your
studies,
skills.
build your skills, build
Do
your
internships.
build your character.
Yeah.
Yeah, these kind of things you should focus on.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that's are my future goals as well.
Perfect. And now we've talked about where you're living, broadly, cost of living, we understand. Also about your part-time. But from the experience of your friends, do you think it is easy to get part-time jobs here in Northampton? And if yes or no, I mean, what kind of jobs are here?
It depends upon you have to struggle.
Yeah.
If you are coming here, you are new. You have to struggle a lot to get jobs, and it's the rule. Anywhere in the world you are, you have to struggle when you are moving to a new place.
Yeah. Even in India right now,
Yeah, exactly.
finding a job is not easy.
Exactly. Same here in Pakistan.
Yeah.
So the thing is, you have to struggle, but as you go through the whole process,
Yeah.
you'll get to know. You'll get some links. You'll develop your own links.
Yeah.
So
So
they
build
will
and do
really
your
help.
networking, build some connections.
Exactly.
All right.
After
So-
that, you get a good job. Secure a good job.
So tell me a little bit around, what was there something that you felt would be the case when you came here, but it turned out to be completely the other way? So any shocks that you got here when you came to London and Northampton?
Yeah, shock. When I used to tell my friends that I'm going to London, they always tell me, "Don't go to London. It's very saturated." I didn't take their advice or their things
Yeah.
seriously. But after coming in London, I really got shocked. Like there's so much saturation.
You were like, my friends were right.
yeah, they were right.
Yeah.
I thought they were just like saying
Yeah.
and nothing else, but they were right. There is a lot of saturation in London. It's difficult to get jobs here in London.
So it's difficult to get jobs here in London. And
Yeah,
of
that
course,
was a shock.
that
I wasn't expecting that much of difficulty.
Yeah. And how are you finding cooking food, managing your day-to-day
So,
life?
yeah, that's my favorite part. So the thing is, I'm living here with my cousin.
Okay.
And he has some friends of him. We are living together.
Your cousin is also studying here?
Yeah, he has completed his study. He's on PSW now.
Okay.
So we have 4 to 5% the house, and all of us can cook. So we get to we get every day desi food.
Yeah.
So like in that sense, I'm really blessed.
Yeah, so that's good. I mean, of course.
Yeah, exactly.
And you guys can share, so that cost
Exactly.
is also lower.
Exactly.
You know, you can share the
I can
grocery.
tell you my grocery rent. It's merely about £100.
£100 in a month.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
£100 in a month after like division.
Division.
My part is £100.
Right. And have you explored a bit of London? You've explored some parts of more of the country?
I've not been to any other place except London. So London, no, mainly Central London. I've
Central
explored.
Yeah.
Tower Bridge, Central Bridge, the Shard, and Canary Wharf.
Right.
These kind of things.
But they're beautiful, no? And
Yeah,
now
obviously.
in Christmas time, they'll look even better.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but yeah, that's fantastic. And any advice you would have for the students who are planning to come to the UK or thinking about University of Northampton?
Yeah, if you like, for your viewers, I would say you, after all these difficulties, once you get settled in the UK, you're really gonna enjoy this country. Like, in my opinion, this country has a lot to offer.
Yeah.
So you should come here, should consider coming here. And second thing about the university, yeah, I wanted some experience as well.
Yeah.
But if your main goal is not experience, just you want to get degree.
Yeah.
So there's some better universities, hopefully, you know.
No,
in the
I
London,
want to know which one
Yeah.
you think would have been better if not for the campus experience.
I would say I've been to just University of East London.
Yeah.
So you can go there. Anglia Ruskin University. It's
Anglia
all-
Ruskin is where we go tomorrow.
Yeah.
So do subscribe to our channel if you want to know about Anglia Ruskin, and do check out my channel because we've already covered University of East London. We've done a few videos with a few friends there too. So do
Yeah.
check that out on the channel. So thanks man so much for sharing your views and a lovely walk through Northampton.
Yeah.
And we got to see the city while we are walking with you.
Exactly.
And also, you know, get to learn from your experience. And guys, if you are having still any questions, any doubts regarding UK, study abroad, careers, anything, do put them in the comments, and I'm happy to help you and answer your questions there. And thank you so much for your time, buddy.
No
and
worries, sir.
I will see you all guys in the next video. And till then, goodbye.
Goodbye.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.